Hey, my fabulous! Here's your Pinay expat in Malta. And today, we are going to unbox a ring light. Yeah, a ring light. Para naman gumanda tayo sa ating live streaming and, well, it's very essential for us, especially for me as a vlogger. So I think it is very essential to me and to you guys who do vlogging as well. So enjoy! Oops! Be careful, fabs, when you use a cutter. Hindi masakit. Hindi masarap ang masugatan. So, take an extra careful. Okay? We will see kung gaganda tayo sa ring light na to. Kasi meron dito nakalagay, go viral. And, wow, well, it's a beauty and video creation. I don't know. No idea. I never had like this before, so I'm curious. Hey. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, bali, ito yung Bluetooth remote. So, it's the same thing as my selfie stick. Parehas lang sila. So, we're gonna start assembling this creation kit. This is the base or the light stand. So now we're gonna assemble the light stand. Okay, I think that's good enough. It's strong enough. And the 10 inches ring light. Well, the 10 inches LED ring light. It has 3 different color modes. And we also put the smartphone holder. Yeah, and I think we're ready. That's it. And now we will see if it's gonna work. Now we're gonna plug it in and try if it works. I'm a little excited. I think there's something wrong. It's not working. We'll try again. I'm gonna read it how to switch it on. You know what, guys? It's not working. It's not lighting, guys. My fabulous is not lighting. So what are we gonna do now? Oh my gosh, my fabulous ayaw niyang gumana. We have to dismantle it and check what's the problem.
You can get some.
Little longer than a few minutes later.
Yay! Finally, it's working now, my fabs. Short press pala. It's not long press. Panay yung pindot ko, nilong press ko. Oh my gosh, I was like, stupid. Sorry about that. I was just excited. i-enable yung Bluetooth using your cell phone or your Android or Apple cell phone. You can pair it. Well, it's compatible with anything. Fabulous! Here, mag-unboxing na naman tayo. Well, ito yung sinali ko na to. Ito yung in-order ko 1 week ago. Yung accessories nga ng GoPro Hero 9 Black. Kasi I need really a housing protector. Dahil nga, clumsy ang inyong lola. So, bali tatlong items ang in-order ko, which is the protective housing, shorty mini extension pole or tripod, and floaty. Well, we will see if I will like them all. We're gonna open the protective housing first. Well, this is very essential when, especially if you go diving, you know, because it's a waterproof and you can use it underwater up to 196 feet. Good, right? And these accessories includes a skeleton back door, mounting buckle, and thumb screw. Which is better. Yeah, this is the skeleton back door. Well, if you want to access, or if you want to the touch screen, yes, to access the touch screen and record better audio, you can use the skeleton back door. And really, guys, I got this not because I want to go diving to go to the beach or no. I got this because I really need a protective housing for my GoPro because I am very clumsy. And now we're gonna open the other accessory, which is the shorty, and it's a mini extension pole plus tripod, and it's really cute. I like this one. It is a portable mini extension, and it can extend for up to 8.9 inches high. Yeah, and it's really, I like it. I can put it in my small backpack, which I like to use when I go out. And now also we're going to unbox the floaty, and I like the color. It's orange. We'll see if I'm gonna like it. There you go. Oh, honestly, guys, I don't like it very much because it's bumpy, it's big, it's thick, it's lighter, and but I don't think if I'm gonna use it because it's too big. But this one is my favorite, the shorty. Yes, because I have the other one, but that one has no legs. I mean, that's leg, but I think that is good only on when you go swimming. But this one I can use it anywhere I go, wherever I go. Yeah, and I can put it in a small pouch. This is really cute. Oh, it's my favorite. I like it. It's so cute. It's just perfect for a GoPro, but this one, not really. Well, guys, it's shout out time, and I'm gonna mega love shout out to all my members, my fabulous members, and my super chatters who never get tired of supporting this channel. Well, as I always say, you guys are just fabulous. I hope to see you again. Bye bye.